Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow.
Happy
Birthday, Mama Ness!
Wishing you good health and long life.
We are blessed to have you as our mother. Thank you for all the sacrifices.
Happy 60th birthday, Mama Ness. Wish ko, Mama Ness, na punta ka na dito sa US.
See you soon!
See you soon!
We love you!
Happy birthday, Tita! We miss you! Wish ko sa'yo sa birthday mo po, good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy mo lang yung life mo together with the family. Alam ko, matagal din na panahon na yung mga sacrifices mo dito sa abroad. Binless ka naman ni Lord sa pagiging generous mo. Maraming salamat din sa mga tulong mo sa amin. Mga bata pa po kami. Yun lang.
Happiest birthday, Tita! We miss you! Wish you a happy life and good health. Always stay healthy, always stay happy. Enjoy your time there. Be safe always.
Tita, miss na po namin yung kutsinta tsaka yung sapin-sapin.
Sapin.
Balik ka na po dito sa Dubai. We love you.
Everything. Miss everything. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Ness. We wish you more birthdays to come at God bless po.
Happy birthday, Tia. God bless. Ingat kayo lagi.
Ingat ka po lagi dyan. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Tia Nancy. Wish po namin na magkaroon pa po kayo ng madaming birthdays na darating. God bless po.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday years. Wishing you good health and happiness in life. And thank you for taking good care on us. And we're so grateful na nandun ka sa Dubai. Every time na mag-visita kami ka na Romel, ay talagang pinagsisilbihan mo po kami. Tita, be happy and enjoy life. Inis, great kay Lola Ness.
Happy birthday, Lola. I miss you. I'm so happy for you.
We miss you, Tita. See you soon. We love you.
Love you, Tita.
Hello, Tita Ness. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come, Tita. Enjoy your day, Tita. It's your special day and na-miss ka na po namin dito sa UAE. We love you. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Wish ko is good health and long life. Sana magkita pa tayo at lulutuan mo pa ako ng pansit. Thank you for always taking care of me sa Dubai and parang anak mo na ako and you are my second mom. Thank you so much. I love you and hopefully magkita tayo soon. Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Ness! We miss you! Happy birthday! Sana makasama mo na sila Jane, si Romel at saka si Liam very soon na yan. At dalawin nyo kami rito sa Dubai. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo and take care of your health. Hopefully see you soon. Bye-bye!
Tita Ness, happy birthday po! Wish po namin sana good health, tsaka keep safe, laging healthy all throughout the year and the next coming years. Tita Ness, namiss na po namin kayo. Yung kakanin niya pa, Pasko na ulit. Wish po namin sana makalipad na kayo nang makasama niyo na sina Jane, Liam, and Romel. Happy birthday po and Merry Christmas. We miss you. Love you po, Tita.
Hello, Tita Ness. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Ayan, Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year.
See you soon dito. So, ayun. Wait ka na ng tourist visa mo.
More blessings to come po, Tita Ness.
Ayun.
We miss you. We miss your sapin-sapin.
See you soon, if ever, inshallah.
All the best in your life po. God
Happy
bless.
birthday and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye po.